Hello guys and girls, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you all 5 secrets ChatGPT codes or prompts in 2025. Number 4 is my favorite. Okay, starting at number 1, if you want your results to bypass an AI detector, you use backslash humanize before writing your prompt. For example, backslash humanize backslash humanize this, sorry, I made mistake in spelling, backslash humanize, write an AC about finance. So you send. I'm not yet logged in, so it won't give me the best response, but if I logged in it would like make it very cool and accurate. I don't want to log in yet. And so that is it for the first prompt. So if you want your results to bypass AI detectors, whether you're writing an essay or anything or just for fun or anything, you can make sure you use your backslash humanize before starting the prompt. Okay, then coming at number 2, we have if you want ChatGPT to summarize a concept or topic into a short bit-sized text, use TLDR. For instance, for example, TL semicolon, semicolon DR. Then you now write, let's say, benefits of a good night's sleep. So if I send this, you see a very short text immediately. So it's a summary. It helps like long notes. Let's say you have long notes for lectures, or all those of you that like reading a night before the exam, you use your TL semicolon DR and write the text or anything. You can also like upload a long document like a slide, a PowerPoint slide, and just write CL semicolon DR and it will break everything, summarize everything down for you. So that's the second prompt. Coming at number 3, we have Elite 10. Coming at number 3, we have Elite 10. What it simply means is explain like I'm 10. It's use if you want ChatGPT to explain something to you as simple as possible, use Elite 10. But since I'm not logged in, ChatGPT will try to be referring me to like Elite 5 because we have Elite 10 and Elite 5 as well. Elite 5 is breaking it down more, but Elite 10 is explain like I'm 10. Let me show you what I mean. So before you start a prompt, for example, you say, let me say Elite 10, and I'll just say photosynthesis. So if I send this, yeah, so you say, sure, yes, photosynthesis explain like you are 10. So it explains it very well. So since I'm not signed in, it's not giving the best response. It's just giving like, free things and so if you are signed in, it will give you more understandable and accurate response. Okay, so Elite 10. So that's the third prompt. Coming at my number 4, that's my favorite actually. It's just like the opposite of number 3. It's the opposite of number 3 as well. So if you want to turn a simple concept into a complicated concept, if you want to turn a simple concept into a complicated concept, you use JARGONIZE. JARGONIZE, like if you want to turn a simple concept into a complicated expert level language, you use JARGONIZE. For instance, you say JARGONIZE, what should I do? How to drink, let's say how to drink water. So if I send this, yeah, so you see hydration ingestion protocol via oral cavity interface, acquire a portable aqueous solution exhibiting physiochemical parameters within acceptable pH and purity standard. You see, like a very but it's not giving the best response if I'm logging in into it. But I just want to show you guys the prompt and its use, and maybe you can use it in some cases if you want it necessary, if you find it useful. Okay, so the next one is if to turn anything into a neat list, use listify. Like if you have like to-do list or anything, you want to turn something into a neat list, use listify. For instance, for example, before you start, you do listify and let's say benefits, benefits of a good meal, like this. Okay, benefit of a good meal. So if I send this, yeah, it gives me just a list. But since I'm not logged in yet, it's not giving the best response. But it will give you a list with like emojis and many other things and cool list as well. So these are the 5 prompts, 5 secret prompts that I can tell you guys in this video. So if you find this video helpful, or you need more videos like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment ChatGPT codes, and I'm going to send you guys more again in the comment section. Okay,